What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today on Fitness Tech Reviews, ZDEER sent me out some of their cups. It is the Walkcup Pro, and I'm gonna go with an unboxing, what it's all about, and really, is it best for you? Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, they sent this out to me. It has a nice little thing right here going about all of the cups and the button description as well on temperature, suction, pressure relief. Guess we get a little bit of temperature with this as well. Very nicely packaged. A little bit more information on the air venting. An instruction manual that I'll probably should actually read, but maybe I won't, just to see if I can figure it out at first. We got a lot of cups. And then of course its main cup right here. All right, it does have like a wood type look to it, but it is relatively plastic-y. See if it has any charge on it currently. And it does. Perfect. Let's see if I can figure this out on my own. Let's go into the different cups that they have. So the suction is right here at the top. They have a whole bunch of different cups that you can use all at the same time, which is great. The other cupper that I used was only one area at a time, so you'd be able to keep these cups on for longer periods of time. That's a little small little guy. That's a little guy. All right, so it looks like you just press it on there. Oh yeah, we're already getting some suction. Awesome. Then you also need these little stoppers for the air. I believe you place them right here at the bottom, and the suction itself will keep it on. So let's go ahead and try that out. Just gonna have some hickeys all over my arm today. My wife will be fine. And we have different levels here. We have a 3, we have a 4, 5, all the way up to 5. So it looks like 5 is going to be our most intense. Now I got to figure out mostly how to get it off. It does come with a USB-C chargers, because of course this guy is going to be charged by USB-C. Let me do a little bit of reading and get back to you. All right, and we're back. I figured it out, guys. Took a little bit of reading and a little bit of know-how. As you can tell, I have them on, and you have this little pull pin to take off that pressure. So it does have a little bit of a plastic piece that kind of keeps the pressure in, showing you that in the B-roll, but it makes it really easy to put on. So all you gotta do is put it into the actual cupper itself. You're hitting your suction level. I'm usually hitting up to a 5. Once I get it all the way up to a 5, I'm waiting for it to get a good amount of suction. Then I'm kind of twisting it a little bit, and it comes right off. And it's still, since it's still on, I can go ahead and plug it right back in and go right to my next cup. So it makes it pretty darn easy to get your cupping in and be able to put it on multiple spots at once. And again, relatively easy to take off as long as you have, you know, I don't even have that big of nails, and it works pretty darn well. So its buttons, of course, is its power button here at the bottom. It's the suction button. This suction can go all the way up to 5 as the highest level. And then you have your heat button at the top, and it actually does get a little warm. I wouldn't say like hot, but it actually gets pretty warm, and there are 5 levels to your heat as well. And if you want to take away the suction, just one click, and it's going to take away that suction. Of course, holding that off button is going to turn it off as well. So you are getting 10 cups that come with it, that come in the different sizes. Your 2 of the smallest, medium size, and then of course they get larger from there, and you get 2 of each. You get your USB-C charging cable that can charge this guy up pretty quickly, and then you have a little bit of an instruction manual here about what to do, what not to do. There were more precautions than I thought there were. Don't take a shower immediately afterwards. Don't do it drunk or hungover. Well, that is pretty good, because you also don't want to do this while you're relatively dehydrated. A lot of this myofascial tissue release will make you not feel so good, so make sure you are hydrated. And also don't do it on a full stomach or while you're fasting or staying up late. Of course, not using it in your lower abdomen if you are menstruating or if you are pregnant. And they tell you not put over your lips, your tongue, your ear holes, your nostrils, or your nipples or navel, as the suction can congest some of those areas. I think that's pretty self-explanatory, but they place it there nonetheless. And then they have a decent amount of information on the website as is to let you kind of know how to use your product. This is one of those things you probably should be doing a little bit of research on. I'll be linking some stuff down below if you need any of that extra information to help you get the most out of your cupping experience, especially if you're doing it alone and you can't get to your back and stuff like that. But they promote firming up skin, reducing cellulite, relieving muscle aches, relieving soreness from fitness, and of course blood circulation as well. You see a lot of those top athletes, Michael Phelps, and Olympic athletes that do use a lot of cupping, and there's a lot of benefits to cupping. People use cupping for blood disorders, rheumatoid arthritis, fertility, skin problems, high blood pressure. I mean, the list goes on, but it's really what you are looking for mostly. You probably clicked on this video because you looked into cupping a little bit, and then there's ways to get what you need for your muscle soreness if you're getting some fitness gains from it to help you relieve that muscle soreness. And there's even some studies out there that says it even works on stuff like varicose veins. Of course, the negatives, you will have these hickey marks over your arms. I didn't have them on that long, and you are seeing them, but they will be pretty bruised. They won't be tender to the touch or anything like that, but it will be relatively visible, especially if you've seen a lot of the athletes use them. One of my recommendations with this guy, I would definitely recommend this. This is probably my favorite electric home cupping, that you can do multiple cups at once, not just one cup at a time, which makes it so convenient. Comes in a nice box as well. The only real negatives is it doesn't give you the most information in the actual package itself on how to use it. You will have to do a lot of this research on your own, so definitely make sure there's going to be a couple links down below to help you out with that. But make sure you are doing it safely and correctly, and make sure you're staying hydrated and all that. If you are looking to purchase this device, there will be a coupon code down below, and I'll show you to Amazon. If you use that coupon code, a little bit of your purchase is going to help me grow my channel. But as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.